Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard type, because Bluetooth and wired setups differ. Turn the keyboard on and charge it. Make sure battery level sits at or above 50% for stable connection. On your phone, open Settings and go directly to Bluetooth or Input Devices. Enable Bluetooth or the OTG feature. Once done, keep the keyboard visible and the phone screen unlocked so pairing prompts appear immediately. This speeds the process and reduces interruptions. Now pair or attach the keyboard. For Bluetooth, tap Scan on your phone, select the keyboard's name, then enter or confirm the displayed PIN. This verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. For wired keyboards, plug into the phone's USB-C port or use an OTG adapter, and grant any OTG or USB access prompts that appear. Once connected, open a Note app to test keys. Make sure the layout and language match in input settings so special characters map correctly. Finish by customizing keyboard preferences. Set key repeat rate, layout, and shortcuts in your input settings so typing feels natural. If the keyboard is unresponsive, restart Bluetooth or disconnect and repair. Try a different app or reboot the phone to clear temporary software issues. Make sure keyboard firmware is current, and if problems persist, test the keyboard with another phone. This isolates whether the fault is the keyboard or your device. One key troubleshooting tip: repairing often resolves mismatched profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.